are we going?
We're going to Stratford Barn Railway to do some filming, and it's all going to be socially distanced, but we've been invited down there, and it's part of their, they've got a themed weekend on this week, and I can't remember for the life of me what the theme was, but I'm sure we'll find out when we get there.
Is the theme fat old women with cameras?
Unfortunately not, otherwise we'd blend straight in.
Self-depreciating humour. It's too early for me. I've had like 3.5 hours sleep, and we're going to be filming all day. It's going to be a good one. I can tell that. Jen's very excited, so it's going to be good. We've been invited down, and it's all legit, it's all kosher, business related and all that. So it should be a lot of fun. We've got our masks ready, so we're going to enjoy it.
But will my voice not get blown away?
No, as long as you're fairly loud, it'll be fine. Right, we're here down at Stratford Barn Railway. I'm just reading it off a sign over there because I couldn't remember.
Yeah.
One of Jen's patrons and Monday Club chat members. Very good, very generous guy. Got us some tickets, so this should be an interesting day. We're going to go in and have a look around. Jen's going to ride a train. I'm going to try not to get travel sick.
But you will.
I probably will, yeah.
Now, do you want to hop on a train?
It's your day.
Alright.
Hop in. You look like a Mortal Kombat villain.
Finish him! Jenny wins. Flawless victory. Oh, we wore matching outfits.
This is the train we've been waiting for, so it's a great opportunity now. We're going to go and meet Dale, and hopefully he'll recognise us. Amazing to find you, many thanks for inviting us down here. I'm actually quite impressed how intensive the surface is.
And this is how we get the good shots, pointing out the window so it's all steadied, and then we'll get a nice running footage shot.
guards compartment of the train that the garage just brought in. So they're hooking up another locomotive to the front, and then hopefully when that's all done, there'll be another train coming over there, and then we're going to head up down the line and ride the line. I'm steaming up.
And here we see the lesser spotted Jenny Kirk in her favourite environment.
Very much so. It's a lovely day. I can't believe how we looked out on the weather, given that yesterday was awful weather, where we were anyway. And I think tomorrow the outlook is not very good. But today, the weather knew we were coming, so it's putting on a spread.
While we were waiting for this train, I was making a joke with Jen. The old wow, that's loud. The old Rainhill trials, when we taught at school, they said people queued up to go on this newfangled train thing. And as a kid I thought, who would queue to go on a train? It's just boring. But that's exactly what we've done today, because it's interesting. They're different, it's something unique. And especially when you come to somewhere like this, where it's all stuff that you would never see in real life anymore. It's really good fun. If you liked today's video, please consider supporting me on Patreon. And an extra special thanks goes out to Chief89 and Tepic. Thank you.